Hello from Augsburg. Last week our team installed a Glidepath as well as a marker beacon as part of a ILS renovation. Both systems have also been equipped with a new navigation shelter each, as you can see behind me. Following the installation, we conducted a flight check with our SkyRF Drone. This allowed us to verify and adjust GP parameters under no time pressure and served as an excellent preparation for the official flight calibration, which takes place today. We can already say that the values measured today match our findings precisely, and therefore the flight calibration takes far less time than if we hadn't had measured and adjusted the glide path beforehand.